So our crude oil trades are obviously the highlight of the day. Actually had a good short trade in the NASDAQ as well. On the NASDAQ Cobra 3 profit target version. The conservative up 23.40. We're not trading both of these, but trading one of these in the portfolios. The aggressive also did 23.40 as well, or 23.45. And so those are the crude oil trades on the day, the highlight of the day. Let's go back and go look at these index trades. Really wild, choppy day today. Minus 1950 in the VSD long and short setup. It's had quite the run lately. With some big days the last 3 days, and today was a down day. Silver, nice trades today, plus 575, plus 575. Gold, SR counter trend 3, plus 475 and plus 475 as you go for short, minus 525. Cobra Gold, plus 575. Gold Flash, plus 675. So active day, good day in the gold market. Beta C workspace, we had no trade. VIX OC, minus 1,025, so that was one of our newer strategies. It's had a couple of losses here recently and hasn't shown us any positive performance this year. This tests well back to the 2003 with the beginning of the VIX data. VSDES minus 75, no gap continuation and reversal trade. Beta B Viper has been on a huge winning streak, but today it lost. Let's take a look at that. It's unusual. This was our original Cobra. This is from 2008. And I did use I did add some filters to this. Let me go back to the original strategy. So since February 23, about a $10,000 run and a loss today. You can see how well it has done on previous days with this type of trend. And down today though, so it could be a good time to start this strategy. Let's look at the rest of the trades. VSD long only minus 190, dynamic tick pullback minus 600, EVP 1 minus 970 on the day. All strategy access NQ, SR counter trend 2 plus 775, SR counter trend 2 V2 1M plus 775 or plus 575, SR counter trend 2 V2M 1M NQ minus 725 plus 575 on the 5M minus 725 on a 15M. Tick pullback, minus 725. Tick count trend NQ, minus 625. Just a real choppy price action. Hard to trade the NQ. I still find it difficult to trade the NQ. So tick pulse NQV12, minus 2500. Cobra 3, 15M, no profit target version. The profit target version that we have in some of the portfolios hit its profit target down here, and then it retraced, stopped out, and then it came back down just below the entry price. So this market is just constantly reversing. Very wild market the NASDAQ is. So 60-minute breakout, minus 50 on the day, one profit target, one stop loss. All strategy access E-mini S&P, Cobra 3 mini S&P, minus 1250 on the day. The profit target version hit its profit target of 600. Tick pullback, minus 525. Adaptive moving average, good day, plus 1,062.50, mainly from this nice short trade right here. There's more separation in price in the E-mini S&P. You see the low here is above the high there. In the NASDAQ, those overlap. So more separation in price in the E-mini S&P. 60-minute breakout ES, minus 1,025. After hours, minus 725. 60-minute breakout, plus 1325. Capturing some good short trades here. Let's look at the optional workspace. I'm going to go to the optional workspace so you can see the profit target version. So Cobra 3 evening NASDAQ profit target 2,900 plus 2875. Good trade there. The $600 profit target in the Cobra 3 right here, plus 575. And just a pretty big range here. You've got over 120 point range in the E-mini S&P. That's massive. 50 or 60 used to be a big range. Now we've got over 120, 122 points. So no trades in Night Trader VSD. So let's go back to where we were. We were on the NASDAQ. Those are all the NASDAQ trades. Let's look at gold. We already looked at gold. We already looked at gold. We already looked at silver. VSD long. Crude oil, we've looked at crude oil. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Euro, minus 625. Soybeans, minus 375 on this day trade short. Only trade today, but you see a massive spike up in soybeans. We've talked about inflation. No trades in exhaust and reverse. VIX above 25. And so those are the trades on the day. Nice equity peaks in the 50K portfolio because the big trades in the 50K portfolio included the Cobra Crude Conservative. It included the SR Counter Trend 3 Gold A plus 475, and the crude oil trade was plus 2345. Then it also included the profit target version of Cobra 3 Mini NASDAQ plus 2875. So big day, new equity peaks. I believe new equity peaks in the 200K portfolio as well. And you know the strategies that are using most of the NASDAQ strategies are struggling around break even in our stock index and gold portfolio today. Just a lot of whipping around in the NASDAQ. Difficult to get the longs or the shorts. Difficult to get the direction because there's so many wide swings in either direction. So working on revising that. Right now, the 50K portfolio, 200K portfolio are some of the strongest portfolios. And those are the trades on the day for March the 4th, 2021.